What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I got an E46 BMW 2004 330i, and I got coilovers from Maxpeedingrods. I'm here to review them. They're recommended, a lot of people say, but we're gonna give them a review and we're gonna do an unboxing video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe for more content, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of E46 videos now. So yeah, guys, I got the package in the mail and we're about to unbox it. I did open the tape, but I did not see the coilovers yet. So this is actually an unboxing for myself as well. So out of the package, and I know I'm facing up because you gotta read the box, you know, facing up. So now, okay, so this is the front strut. That is nice. So these coilovers, I did get the dampening feature and the camber plate, as you can see. Let's see the dampening feature. It has 24 clicks, I believe. It's with an Allen key. Let's look at the rear springs. Looks great. Nice color to it. It looks like it was well painted. The rear shock. Let's look at that. We're taking out the packaging. This is the rear shock absorber. Good bushings, look good. The top also, the rear also has the dampening feature. You get this, the tools, you know, to adjust. Oh look, it even comes with the Allen key. It comes with the tool to adjust your coilovers. You could take a look at the actual coilover for the back, for the spring. I'm planning on doing the fronts first because they're typically the hardest. And so yeah, look, everything is just the same thing that I have showed you guys. It's in the box. It's just another one, like 2 times of what I have. But yeah, it comes with a manual telling you how to install, how to adjust dampening and stuff. We'll take a look at that later. So it's pretty straightforward. Just take out the old strut, install a new one, and yeah, see how it goes. So yeah, guys, first we're gonna take off the original struts, the shock absorbers in the front, and we're gonna show you guys how to do that. I'm gonna set up the phone, I'm gonna do the work, and just stay by and watch the video. So yeah, guys, first thing you wanna do is try the wheels, you know, sequence first. I'm gonna go around and jack the car up, the jack point down there, and start up. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jack it up from the bottom of the control arm so I can put the jack stand on the mounting point, because I want this sitting on the jack stand, not on hydraulic pressure. All right, guys, so there we go. There's no jack on it, just a jack stand. Now we're gonna take off the wheel, and it should be a size 17 for me. So I already have it on my socket and my gun. And we're just gonna take this off. And he sees. See if I can do this one-handed. All right, so what are we looking at? We're gonna turn. I need to remove the sway bar end link, so you can see. And I need to remove, because it connects to the shock itself. I need to disconnect. I need to remove this bolt, which is this one right here. This one right here. And on the top, you know, under the hood. But for now, let's get this one done. Let's get this. Let's remove this one first. I got it out. There we go. It just took a couple whacks. I think it's up. Yeah. Yep. There we go. Got that out the way. So yeah, guys, we're gonna try to remove this bolt right here. You guys can see the bolt right there for the coilover, for the shock absorber. And there is no nut on the other side, so we're just gonna hit this with the impact. It's an 18. There we go. You guys saw it drop, right? And now we can drop this slowly. Oh, we shake. Oh, you see my jacket no longer on there. So this should fall out with a couple movement. There we go. So yeah, brake lines are intact. Everything. I made sure I didn't lower the jack all the way because I knew my stuff was gonna swing. Let's just keep everything there. Let's pop the hood and let's check the top. The strut is free. Let's observe. Look at all the oil. Look at the inner piece. Shot. So I'm gonna turn it all the way in. I'm gonna completely slam it. That's how we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna have to lower this a little bit because it won't fit. Yeah, I'm sorry. Another nipple. Slide it right there. Come on. There we go. All right, now we can bring this up. No more stress on the hoses and lines, and we just jack this up a little bit. There we go. So yeah, guys, we're gonna put this bolt through here with the bracket. Don't forget the bracket. Should thread right into the other side. I'm gonna jack this up just a little more. Just make sure it's seated. Tighten that sucker up. Seems fair. I gotta put on that nut. Let's put on the wheel real quick. Dude, I'm gonna have so much tire rub. I got that out the way. The bottom is clear. I have to jack it up from the sway bars, so. Oh my God. Holy shit. Okay, so luckily nothing happened. I lowered my car. Well, that's that. I lowered my car in the baby blaster. Not a huge deal. No damage. I'm gonna put stuff under the tires to lift up the car. I believe I have some wood. On the wood, it looks like it's holding. It's holding. And we are out. Bro, I don't think this is the best idea. Yeah, we're wheel tucking. Oh, hell yeah. This is crazy. This is considered the floor. This is the weight of the car. Yeah, these things gotta go up a bit. All right, since we're taking off the rear wheels, we're gonna put the wheel chocks in the front so we won't have the car roll back. Safety first. Alright, so we need to remove this bolt right here. Then on the top and the inside, there's some nuts on the top. Just support it a little bit. Got an 18 right here. broken bolts. The bushing's alright, but it's fucking shock itself. Look at it. You're not supposed to do that. So we can let go of the jack now. There we go. This is the bottom. So I'm gonna need you, my guy, to come out. But this is the top, so you can tell. This is the top one. So the one with the titty, the nipple, is the bottom side. And the one with the holes on top. Oh, you can tell because the top part has like a little opening. Let's install the new spring. We're gonna put the spring seats because it's just probably the best option. So yeah, we have these items. Pretty sure the spring just sits in like this, and the top, the top. I told you I was gonna reuse this, so I'm gonna reuse this. So you're gonna put this here. When I lowered the first coilover I unboxed, it was way too slammed, as you guys can see. And so I just put it with the stock one, and I ended up finding the height. But the other coilover, which I did on the other side, which I didn't record because it's the same process, out of the box, they actually gave a good fitment. I will show that later. I'll probably put it in the video. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this one like this because it's probably a good height already. If anything, I'll just lower it a little bit more, but it looks decent. And yeah, we're just gonna give it a shot right here. There's an orientation on this. The flat side is the bottom side, and the round side is the top. So we're gonna do that. Before I do that, I also want to put the top rubber piece, like I said. So this goes in there. All right, we're halfway in there. So I do have a rubber mallet. I'm not willing to damage my spring because they're painted black. What can I use? I'm about to just continue using the back of my pipeline. It's not doing that much damage. I mean, it is, but you know what doesn't do too much damage? The bottom of the Milwaukee impact. Oh, I can't believe that worked. Let's jack it up a little bit. Okay, it sits. It sits after you put the weight. All right, good. So let's install the new shock absorber. All right, guys. So to remove the back shock absorbers, you're gonna need to take this clip off and that clip off, I believe, back here, and then take off the carpet. Let's see. You want to lift up to get around. Oh yeah, you also want to take off the light thing. So you need to remove this. It's actually very smart BMW to put this over because look at all the oil and stuff. Yeah, this thing's just fucked. Hopefully I can put that back because I would definitely love to put that back. It's all ripped up now, but if it's there, it will protect the oil from messing up my carpet. There we go. We heard it fall. Let's go check it out. Here's our shock absorber. Yeah, it's cooked. Stock. As you can see, they kind of come out pretty much the same size out of the box. So we're gonna put this in there. thread this in. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. 2-finger gap. That's not bad. And then once I drive it a little bit, it should be like a little bit, just like a 2 millimeter, maybe a little less. I think I like that. That side definitely needs to be lowered. But oh yeah, let me show you guys the other side that came out the box. I didn't adjust. This side, it came like that out the box. I didn't adjust anything. And this is also 2-finger, which is great. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will be doing more E46 videos in the future, as well as my E38. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.